Introducing the Vess A-Series from Promise Technology. The Promise Vess A-Series high-performance NVR storage appliances are specifically engineered for IP video surveillance installations of 16 to 200 Full HD IP cameras. Vess A models are fully certified, optimized for surveillance video recording to dramatically reduce costs and complexity of video surveillance deployments. Promise's proprietary Smart Boost technology is a key unique innovation that has helped to establish the Vess A-Series reputation for stability, reliability, and high performance. Smart Boost technology effectively eliminates storage systems bottlenecks that will otherwise constrain performance of video surveillance data recording and storage equipment. Features optimized for surveillance combined with field replacement unit or FRU system design provide stability, reliability, and optimal cost to performance ratio, and no whole unit replacement necessary. One of Promise's unique features is One Plug Auto Service, or OPUS, which simplifies and streamlines technical support. OPUS enables the Vess A-Series user to collect logs and data used by the Promise support team for system analysis. Vess A6000 and Vess A7000 series can be paired with JBOS systems that are perfectly matched with Vess A-Series for large-scale storage or for cost-effectively scaling up or extending existing installations. Now, let's take a look at the available Vess A-Series system. The Vess A8000 system are ideally suited for surveillance installations where reliability and performance of a professional IP surveillance storage system is required in a compact space, saving device. Vess A8020 is a 2-bay tower unit featuring 9th generation Intel Core i3 9100E. The Vess A8021 is a 2-bay tower unit featuring 8th generation Intel CPU Pentium G5400 with 8GB system memory, upgradable to 32GB. The Vess A8000 series features a single power supply unit and 2 gigabit network ports per unit. Vess A3120 is a 4-bay rack mount unit featuring 7th generation CPU Intel Core i3 7101E with 8GB system memory, upgradable to 32GB. Vess A3120 features a single power supply unit, 2 gigabit network ports per unit, and 1 PCIe 3.0 slot for optional PCIe card. Vess A3340 series are an 8-bay rack mount unit featuring 6th generation CPU Intel Xeon E3 1275 with 16GB system memory, upgradable to 32GB. CPU options include Intel Core i3, i5, i7. Vess A3340S features a single power supply unit. Vess A3340D features dual power supply units. Vess A3340 series include 2 gigabit network ports per unit and 2 PCIe 3.0 slots for optional PCIe card. Vess A6600 is a 16-bay rack mount unit featuring 6th generation CPU Intel Xeon E3 1275. Vess A6800 is a 24-bay rack mount unit featuring 7th generation CPU Intel Core i7 7700 with 16GB system memory, upgradable to 64GB. Vess A6000 series feature dual power supply units, or N+1 power supply units, 2 gigabit network ports per unit, and 1 PCIe 3.0 slot for optional PCIe card. Vess A7600 is a 16-bay rack mount unit featuring 5th generation CPU Intel Xeon E5-2603. Vess A-7800 is a 24-bay rack mount unit featuring 5th generation CPU Intel Xeon E5-2609. Additional CPU options include the E5-2600 V4 series. Vess A-7000 series features dual power supply units or N+1 power supply units, 2 gigabit network ports per unit, and 3 PCIe 3.0 slots for optional PCIe cards. Operating systems available for Promise Vess A-Series are Windows 10, Windows Server 2016, and Server 2019. Promise Vess A-Series also support multiple Linux distributions based on the preferences of our clients.